Hey everyone, today we will install CSView trial license on Windows 10 system. So as you can see, CSOP support system, you will find FAQ on CSView. So they're providing two different serial numbers. One is for the viewer and for the CS markup. So if you install CSView using this trial serial number, you will get the features of viewer and CS markup. But the same application, the same build, if you install on your system using this serial number, you will only get the viewer. The viewer has strong capability of showing almost 150 different file formats. So you can view different types of file formats without having the native applications installed on your system. So this is very handy, and this is completely free. So you can use it for free. But if you want to use the markup on the viewer, so you need to pay. So this is with the viewer and markup, and this is completely free. If you want to use CSView as a viewer, so you can use this serial number. So let's go and find how to install the CSView 5.0. Make sure you get the build which is having the same number. So it is CSView 5.0 278.124 zip. So first thing, I will unzip the whole build. So it is now unzipped. So I'll be double click on this setup. I'll say yes, and I'll click next. Right, so now I'll be using the mail ID. So maybe I can use my name, and I'll be using my company name. And now I need to use the serial number. So and in this case I'll be using this serial number. So that means I'll be installing the viewer along with the markup, right? So I'll paste. Make sure I do not copy any space. So this is fine. Serial number is okay. Company name, username, that's fine. So I'll click next, and now you have a option to choose the path where the applications will be installed. So on this case I'm okay with this, so I'll keep it as default. I'll click on next, and now it's ready for the installation. So I'll say yes, install. It will take a minute or two to get things installed on the system, so let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, so the application is now installed, and it says that you need to launch. I mean, you can launch directly from the installation wizard, this registration wizard, right? So you just choose that and say finish, and now you have different options. You can request license online, you can activate license if you are already received license from CSoft, or you can connect to the license server if you have network license. But on this case we will choose request license, press next, and this is okay. And I'm in India, and I will use my email, and then maybe I can use my number. So it could be something like this. So I'm okay, and it will detect the serial number. So all okay, and I'll click next, and now you have a final chance to review the informations, and then I'll go next. And now it says that you can ask license from the server online, and you can request license by email, or you can print it, or you can save it to a file and send it to the support. But where I'll try to fetch the license from the server. So I'll press next. So it says that all done. I got the license. Press next and I'll complete it. So that's all. I can create an icon for the desktop, and I will right click on this. Before I start the applications, I think it is wise to go to this compatibility. You just right click on the icon, go to properties, and then you go to compatibility, and you will have different option to choose the compatibility platform. But for now I will be choosing this, and I will say system enhanced, right? This one, apply. Okay, as this is not updated for Windows 10, so I made just a small adjustment. So now I'll double click on the application and it should open. Excellent. So the application is open now. Now we can go and we can open different files here, and we can start working using those files. We can use the markup. So this is the markup section. The markup is here because of the serial number, because we use this serial number. Other than the serial number, we will not get this minimum. So this is for the serial number. So maybe if we can click on open, and you can find the number of files that you can open and you can work. So that's all. We will discuss CSView features in other videos. That is all for today. See you in the next video.